Electric cars are supposed to be the future, right? Like, according to the internet, if you don't drive an EV, apparently you're personally responsible for melting Antarctica. But, after actually looking at how people use cars in the real world, I kind of think hybrids make way more sense. Now, before Tesla fans start typing a 14-page essay in the comments, relax. I'm not saying EVs are bad. I'm saying hybrids are kind of the cheat code. Let me explain. Think about your phone. Imagine if someone told you, hey, this phone is amazing, but it takes 45 minutes to recharge. And if you're on a road trip, good luck finding a charger that actually works. You'd be like, I'll pass. That's basically the EV experience for a lot of people. Sure, charging at home is awesome, but the second you leave your city, you start treating battery percentage like it's your life support. Oh no, I'm at 18%. Where's the charger? Google Maps. There's one 42 kilometers away. Perfect. It's currently occupied. Fantastic. Now compare that to a hybrid. Battery getting low? Who cares? The engine wakes up like, don't worry little buddy, I got this. No waiting. No charging anxiety. No praying the charging station isn't broken. You just keep driving. It's honestly the automotive version of having unlimited lives. And here's something people don't talk about enough. Fuel economy. A lot of hybrids get over 50 miles per gallon, or around 4 to 5 liters per 100 kilometers. That's insane. You stop at a gas station, spend maybe 5 minutes, and you're good for another 800 kilometers. Meanwhile, some EV owners are halfway through season 2 of whatever Netflix show they're watching while waiting to charge. Okay, maybe that's a little dramatic, but only a little. Now don't get me wrong, EV acceleration is absolutely ridiculous. You breathe on the accelerator, and suddenly your organs are in yesterday. It's fun. It's hilarious. It's also the quickest way to discover every loose object inside your car. But let's be honest, most people aren't drag racing to Walmart. You're driving to work, picking up groceries, getting stuck behind someone doing 20 under the speed limit anyway. So, do you really need 600 horsepower? Or do you just need a car that starts every morning and doesn't give you anxiety? Then there's road trips. Oh boy, road trips in an EV require planning. Like, actual planning. You're calculating charging stops, looking at apps, checking charger availability, checking backup chargers, checking if the backup charger has reviews saying, works if you kick it. A hybrid, you stop whenever you want. Need coffee? Stop. Need food? Stop. Need gas? 5 minutes. Back on the road. Easy. Now let's talk about winter. Because batteries, they really don't like being cold. Range drops. Charging slows down. Everything becomes just a little more annoying. Meanwhile, the hybrid is just sitting there like, it's cold? Cool. Anyway, and here's something that surprised me. Maintenance. People love saying EVs have almost no maintenance. And that's mostly true. No oil changes. Fewer moving parts. That's awesome. But if something major does go wrong, especially outside warranty, oh god no. Those repair bills can be terrifying. Battery replacements can cost thousands. Sometimes more than the car is worth. With hybrids, you've got technology that's been around for decades. Toyota has been building hybrids since the late 90s. They've basically had time to make every mistake already. Now they're just showing off. Let's also talk about infrastructure, because this is where reality punches the marketing. Gas stations? They're literally everywhere. You could accidentally find 3 of them by making one wrong turn. Charging stations? They're getting better. Absolutely. But depending on where you live, finding a fast charger can still feel like a side quest. Congratulations. You've unlocked Level 7 Charger Hunt. Reward, 17% battery. Now here's the funny thing. The best part about hybrids is you don't have to choose. You get electric driving in traffic. You get gasoline for long trips. It's basically 2 cars arguing, but somehow getting along. Electric motor. I got city driving. Gas engine. I got highways. Driver. I just want to get home. Teamwork. Beautiful. Now, are EVs the future? Maybe. Battery technology keeps improving. Charging gets faster every year. Infrastructure is expanding. I genuinely think EVs will become amazing for almost everyone someday. But today, for the average driver, the average family, the average person who just wants transportation without thinking about it, hybrids hit the sweet spot. They're efficient, reliable, easy to live with, and they don't force you to plan your bathroom breaks around charging stations. So, if someone asks me, would you buy an EV or a hybrid today? Honestly, I'd probably take the hybrid, because sometimes, the smartest technology isn't the one that's the newest. It's the one that quietly solves the most problems. And that's exactly what hybrids do. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go hide before the EV fanboys arrive. Please be gentle in the comments.